I'm Jerrold Floro. I am a professor and the Associate Chair for Research in the Materials Science and Engineering Department here at UVA. Life has changed a lot for us in faculty. I think I've seen my grad students who I normally would see 3 or 4 times a week. I've seen them live probably twice this whole summer. We think pretty hard about how many people can safely be in a lab. We think pretty hard about what kind of protective equipment we have to wear in order really not to protect us, but to protect our colleagues and our coworkers and our friends. And we think pretty hard about sort of how to control movements within and through the buildings in order to minimize face-to-face interactions and possibility for transmission. The work we're doing in the Building Zone Subcommittee is pretty important to students and faculty, and by extension to our staff. Research makes up a huge part of what any university, but particularly UVA, what they do as part of the scholarly process, how we train students, not only in the bachelor's, but beyond the bachelor's to PhD. And so we have to find ways that we can safely and confidently carry out our research, in particular our graduate students, while at the same time keeping them, all of us, and the community around us safe. And we know this is hard, we know this is difficult, but it really has to happen if we're going to try to keep up with the things we do here that actually produce value for the world and even for the local community in Charlottesville. This disease can be stopped, this pandemic can be stopped if we do really simple things. If we wear masks, we can slow transmission. If we stay distanced, we can slow transmission. All these things where we sort of make small sacrifices for our community are super helpful, and thinking about it as a small sacrifice for a greater good is hugely important. We're all trying to do great things. We're trying to do great things with our students. We're trying to do great things for our students. And collectively, we're trying to do great things for the world. And in order to achieve that during a pandemic, we have to do great things while really thinking about how to keep each other safe and secure.